Just an update on the wee wigglers. I put them in a hang on the outside breeder box, keeping Daddy with him for a little bit more. And this is Dad's home tank, the 40 square. So I went ahead and got one of these. Been wanting one, but I'm tired of changing that water 100% every day or more sometimes. And these guys are starting to grow quick. And so I'm gonna keep Dad with him for a couple more days, and then he's going back to home. And these guys are gonna get separated from short fin and long fin, and keep updating on you. But their fins are really showing now. I'll give you a quick look around the box here.